Andrew is aboard a 2020 Sea Ray 320 60th Anniversary Edition. She's powered by two 6.2-liter MPI Merc Cruisers. Plenty of speed, she really moves. Great swim platform, lots of space for the kids and the toys. Excellent storage back here. And proper access to all your bringing in the electrical, power, water, and TV if needed. Come on aboard and let's take a walk. This boat has the optional teak, looks fantastic. She's got a grill up on deck, that's a Kenyan electric burner, sink, and fridge. Nice little gurry. Excellent seating in the cockpit, as you can see. This seat slides fore and aft, so she could be a co-pilot seat or sit with everybody on board. Space for a table aft. At the helm, we have twin Simrad 12-inch screens, the Mercury joystick and skyhook that'll keep the boat in position wherever you'd like her. Up forward is fantastic seating, and the access to the seating is really spectacular. It can be accessed underway, and you know the kids are going to want to sit up here. It's a safe area with high rails. The seat is superb and always here. We've got a windlass and a remote spot up forward. Let's go down below. Solid teak steps take you down below. Forward we have a table. I've dropped the table so you can see how big the berth is. TV, another fridge, and a microwave. Inside she's got a fantastic head, tile floors, vessel sink, and vacuum flush toilet. Lots of storage everywhere. Aft, there's a queen size berth that slides and can be separated into two singles. All in all, a great boat for the family or for two couples. I'd love to show you the boat. Come on down to Westbrook, Connecticut, MarineMax. We can be reached at 860-399-5581. Thank you.